Hey, what's going on, guys? Dropship Tyler here, and today I want to be going over something that has recently come up. It's actually been within the past month, and that is Walmart delivering orders via DoorDash. So they are now utilizing DoorDash. I don't know whether it's because it's cheaper, it's more convenient, they can get the items to the customer faster, but they're actually using DoorDash to deliver the items directly from Walmart to the customer in the areas that they're able to do that. So the item has to actually be within a certain, I guess, time frame or distance. The item has to be at a Walmart store within a certain distance of the customer in order for that to all work out and DoorDash and Walmart coordinate on those orders. So anyway, I started tracking some data when my first DoorDash order came through, and that was October 8th. So it's kind of weird. I was very confused on what was actually happening when that DoorDash order first happened because I was getting a text message from DoorDash. Basically, I thought someone scammed me and hacked my DoorDash account because it said, a delivery driver is approaching with your order, and then I got like a message from the driver saying that they had dropped off the order. And at the time, I thought it was like a food order, right? Because I've only ever seen DoorDash deliver food orders. It turns out Walmart's not the only retailer that uses DoorDash. I believe PetSmart does as well, and a few others. So it's something I was not aware of, but yeah, at the time I was like going through my DoorDash app thinking that someone had somehow gotten a hold of my information, but there was no order in my DoorDash app. So the next day I look on Facebook and I actually saw somebody post in one of the Facebook dropshipping groups, which is why it's important that you guys join these Facebook groups, by the way, and like stay up to date in those because it's a great way to communicate with other people and kind of figure out what's going on in the dropshipping world. So anyway, the next day I look in a Facebook group and I see someone post about how Walmart is now delivering orders using DoorDash. And at that point, it clicked. I was like, okay, that's exactly what happened. So I went through and I looked at my orders and I figured out, okay, this is what happened. I looked at the order page. There was no tracking number uploaded at all because I wanted to see how exactly it looked, on the Walmart website, and if there was anything I could upload into Amazon to give the customer a tracking number. And it turns out there was not. So I guess at that point I did what everyone else was doing and kind of panicked and was like, oh my God, the business is screwed. I need to get data behind this. How many orders are actually going out like this? I'm going to lose so much money in A to Z claims because I'm not going to be able to fight them, etc. So anyway, I started collecting data October 8th, and yesterday was the 26th. So I'll just have it up till the 26th, and this is what has been delivered so far. So as you can see, I have 1,556 total orders, and out of those, 41 orders have been delivered from DoorDash. That's 2.63% of transactions. So the dollar amount is $90,200 that I've sold on Amazon. Now, out of that $90,200, only $723 of orders is delivered via DoorDash. So the percent dollar amount is actually 0.8%. That's not a lot. I mean, as you can see, the average DoorDash sale is a lower cost item. And this is $723, not of purchase cost, of actual sale on Amazon. So if I were to lose all of that, if I were to lose all of that money, and Amazon said, hey, you have to refund everybody, and I got back my Amazon fees, I would only lose the purchase cost of the item, which would probably be around $500 or less. So it wouldn't be that big of a loss. It would be probably around 7 or 8% of what I've made for the month on Amazon. And yeah, so my average sale is $58. The average DoorDash sale is $17.63. Now, some problems do occur when it comes to the DoorDash deliveries. And the first one is the fact that, like I said, no tracking has been uploaded to Walmart. There is no tracking. It's a DoorDash delivery. They take a picture, they give that to you sometimes. Maybe you could have used that on eBay back in the day. I don't know how it works now because I haven't been on eBay in a while. But yeah, I don't think you would win an eBay case as of right now without some sort of tracking number. So anyway, same goes with Amazon. So there's no tracking uploaded. That's the first issue. The second issue is DoorDash calls and texts my phone multiple times a day saying that these items are being delivered and that, yeah, like maybe they need a gate code to get in, or like what unit number is it. So I have to sit here and I have to look up the order on OA Genius. Luckily, it's very easy. I can just type in like the address that the person gives me, like just the name of the road or whatever. And when I go to OA Genius, I can just put that directly into the filter at the top and it takes me to the order. And then I can just copy and paste that information to the DoorDash driver. So that's annoying, having to coordinate that and get notifications when things are being delivered. And the third thing is customer confusion. So there are people that are out there that will say to the actual delivery driver, I didn't order anything from Walmart, or you know what, like I didn't order anything like this, like what are you doing on my property, whatever. Like there are people that will say that, and I have seen that in Facebook groups. So those are the three major issues that I've found with these DoorDash orders. Now, those are potential problems, but what is my actual experience with DoorDash deliveries? So here's my experience. No A to Z claims, no specific customer complaints, no returns thus far. So maybe I've gotten lucky, I don't know, but I have not had any issue with these DoorDash deliveries. Now, it is something to continue to monitor, and I'm definitely going to do that. And I'm hoping that, you know, people don't start to find the items that are DoorDash delivery items and then just start, you know, scamming people on eBay and Amazon, trying to get refunds after ordering from them. Because, I mean, that is a possibility. But anyway, thus far, this is my experience. It's been pretty positive overall, except for the fact that I'm getting multiple calls a day and the multiple text messages. So as of right now, there is no reason to panic when it comes to using Walmart as a source, in my opinion. Things could change, things could get worse, maybe they stop using DoorDash, I don't know. But this is what's happening right now. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. It's quick, you know, short to the point. If you guys have any comments about your experience with DoorDash, I would love to hear them so that I can kind of understand what other people's perspectives are on it. And I hope if you're not a subscriber to the channel, then you'll subscribe. Thanks, guys.